Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. First off, thank you so much to everyone who's been following us. Your support means the world. And if this is your first time here, you're in for something really useful. We've been building smart Excel tools for over 16 years to help businesses and individuals streamline their work. And today, I'm thrilled to introduce our Distance Matrix Excel Calculator. This tool is built specifically for anyone who needs to calculate straight-line distances between multiple locations in a matrix format. Think of it as your go-to solution for quickly figuring out how far apart addresses or zip codes are as the crow flies without any complicated software or mapping systems. Using it couldn't be simpler. Once you download the tool from the link in the description, open the Excel file, and just paste your list of addresses or zip codes into the first row and first column. Then hit the Calculate button. Within seconds, the entire distance matrix will populate automatically, showing the straight line distance between every combination of locations. It's incredibly fast, and the interface is designed to be as user-friendly and intuitive as possible, even if you're not an Excel expert. We've had over 7,500 happy customers use our Excel tools, and the feedback's been incredible. In fact, we've received more than 140 five-star reviews on Google from people who've saved time, money, and effort using our calculators. But don't just take my word for it. See for yourself what our community has to say. If you need any help or want to customize the calculator for a specific use case, we're here for you. You can reach out anytime using the phone number or email shown on the screen and in the description. And if you'd rather chat, you can visit our website and use the live chat feature. No bots, just real people ready to assist you. You can download the Distance Matrix Excel Calculator using the link below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.